On August 27, 2020, Hurricane Laura made landfall in Cameron Parish, Louisiana as a 150-mile-an-hour Category 4 hurricane. It was the strongest hurricane to hit the state since 1856 and the first Category 4 hurricane to make landfall in southwest Louisiana. In the days leading up to the event, Macro's emergency fuel fleet was activated and deployed in preparation of what would become one of the most destructive storms in U.S. history, with estimated damages at nearly $16 billion. While the financial toll was hard to fathom, the complete destruction of homes, businesses, and infrastructure would affect the entire region for years to come. 6 weeks after Laura, a Category 2 hurricane made landfall just east of where Laura came ashore, causing even more damage to the already hard-hit area. Hurricane Delta created the need for a new surge of fueling activity as the entire region struggled to repair historical damage to Entergy's electrical grid. Macro's Emergency Fuel Management Division deployed over 400 fueling assets and over 600 personnel throughout southwest Louisiana during the Hurricane Laura and Hurricane Delta recovery efforts, with over 190,000 fuel transactions recorded, the largest for a single event. At the peak of the mission, Macro was fueling 10,000 pieces of equipment daily, dispensing over 5 million gallons of fuel. Peak fueling activity lasted for over 6 weeks, only to increase again due to the arrival of Hurricane Delta. Throughout the Hurricane Laura and Delta response, Macro was operating over 85 staging sites, delivering fuel to hundreds of locations daily. The primary focus while working for the state of Louisiana and Macro's commercial partners was providing fuel for first responders and search and rescue crews, supporting hundreds of generators running at critical facilities, and the refueling of utility line trucks and tree trimming crews that were located at multiple staging areas throughout the region. In order to remain self-sufficient and meet the lodging, food, and hygiene needs of the fleet, Macro brought in portable bunk trailers, campers, and shower units. Macro still had equipment working in southwest Louisiana 6 months after the initial landfall. Macro's goal for every event they respond to is to never fail, understanding how critical their fueling services are for safety and recovery efforts of the communities they are there to help. Macro Emergency Fuel Management. The ability to respond quickly with the resources to complete the job.